Hello my dear English learners, I am your friend and teacher Jyoti Anuragi. Welcome to our class, and if you're visiting this channel first time, please subscribe to this channel, and if you're already the subscriber, thank you so much. Now we are 260 and I'm very happy the progress which our channel, our family is making, and I'm very thankful for all of you. So आज जो topic जो हम discuss करने वाले हैं, that is about gifting 15 things to our like father, husband or brother. See, I am someone जो बहुत confused होती थी किसी मेल को गिफ्ट देने के लिए कि उन्हें क्या दें, right? For females we have many options, क्योंकि मैं खुद एक फीमेल हूँ, so I know हम फीमेल क्या क्या चीज़ें यूज़ करती हैं और क्या क्या हम गिफ्ट्स एक दूसरे को कर सकते हैं. But when it comes to gifting, like my father, my brothers or my friends, like male friends, so it was always a confusion कि उन्हें मैं क्या दूँ. And sometimes ऐसा बहुत बार हो चुका होता है कि मैं उन्हें कुछ देती ही नहीं थी, right? So this video will help you to give gifts which are useful gifts and within just 100 rupees, and they will love it, you will love it. So let's be showing you online examples of these gifts, but you can also buy offline near your market and they are just in 100 rupees. That is great, right? So let's continue. So the first thing you can buy for your for your father, brother or any male, that is a diary. Yes, so in Amazon the diary is costing 99 rupees, which is great, right? So we can always gift a diary and that is very useful. Now the next thing we can give is pen. Yes, so in Flipkart it is showing 95 rupees, a good signing pen. If you're gifting to your brother and he works in an office, so he needs a signing pen, and if you gift to him that, he'll be very happy to receive. So in Flipkart you can just buy it in 95 rupees, right? Now the third thing you can gift is a document file, that is a portfolio file, right? So everybody needs it, you, I and everybody needs a portfolio file. And in Flipkart I can see it is costing us 215 rupees, which is above our budget, but sometimes see we have extra budget to gift, so we can gift that, right? Otherwise अगर आप offline जाते हैं and if you if you find a good document file, because I have bought once, just few years back I visited Daryaganj book market, and in the ready wala he was selling the portfolio file for just 100 rupees. So I bought it and I'm still using it. It's very good. So sometimes you buy that, but in case you don't buy like that, but you can always like buy online. थोड़ा सा little extra budget हो जा रहा है, but sometimes it's okay, right? So yeah, the fourth thing we can gift is a coffee or tea mug, right? So in Flipkart it is costing us 87 rupees, and then on Grofers, that grocery app, it is costing us 66 rupees, which is good, right? We can buy that. Okay, now the fifth thing जो हम ले सकते हैं, that is a shaker. Shaker is like a bottle, if your brother, your father, if your friend is a gymnast, उन्हें gym करना पसंद है, they will always like to receive a shaker, right? So you can gift that, and that can cost you almost like 129 rupees. Again ये 30 rupees extra जा रहा है almost, over the budget, but sometimes we can spend that extra money, right? If our budget allows. Okay, now the sixth thing which we can gift is similar to that, that is a water bottle, right? It's summer and we all need a water bottle, if you're going out of the house. So that on Amazon it is costing us just 99 rupees. Wow, very interesting, right? Good. Now the seventh thing जो हम gift कर सकते हैं, that is a wallet. So wallet everybody likes to receive and we keep, right? So wallet we can give, and that is costing us just 99 rupees in the Flipkart website. So we can order that and gift our male, what do we call, male friends, brothers, our father, right? Good. Now sunglasses, right? Like both my brothers, they love sunglasses. So if you want to gift, so on Amazon they are costing like 88 rupees and 96 rupees in Flipkart. You have a choice to make, good. Now men's rings, right? Men also love rings, and आपको पता है अगर आप जिनको भी दे रहे हो ring पहनते हैं, you can always buy a good ring and gift them. They'll be very happy to receive, right? Now the 10th, that is a pocket perfume or a deo. So like all the males, all the females even, we go out, we work, so we need that extra perfume sometimes in a day, right? So we can gift that, and that will be a good gift. So in Amazon we can buy that pocket perfume in just 59 rupees, and in Flipkart it is 71 rupees. So you can make a choice, right? Under budget, right? Now the 11th gift we can gift is a belt, right? And that is costing us 199 rupees in Flipkart. Again over the budget, but offline I have seen there are some small shops, they give us within 100 rupees a good belt, right? So we can buy, like we can go little over budget sometimes and just gift a good belt for them. Now the 12th thing is a photo frame. Yes, photo frame we can also give, and that is so good. Offline we can buy a small size photo frame within 100 rupees, and online in Flipkart it is showing 299 rupees, but they are giving 5 frames, like we can add 5 pictures and put accordingly. So आप इकट्ठे खरीद सकते हैं, and then एक एक करके किसी को भी अलग अलग गिफ्ट कर सकते हैं. So again that is costing us less than 100 rupees per frame. So right, we can gift. Now the next we can gift is a men's tie, right? So men's love to wear tie when if they are professional people, so हम उनके लिए एक men's tie भी gift कर सकते हैं. So in Flipkart it is 99 rupees or 91 rupees. And then a good handkerchief. Yes, they love to use, they are most of the time outside, they are working, so if we give them a hanky they will always love it. So you can buy a good hanky, right? And in Amazon a good quality hanky will cost you 99 rupees for 2 pieces, 3 pieces, right? And you can really gift them. Now the 15th thing जो हम दे सकते हैं, that is a bracelet or a kada, right? So in Amazon that is costing 199 rupees, and a good bracelet is costing 155 rupees in Flipkart. So see, we all have a choice. Some gifts we have under the budget, and some gifts which I mentioned here, they are above the budget. So depending on जो आपके budget को suit हो, आप वो gift खरीद सकते हैं और gift कर सकते हैं, right? And उसके साथ साथ I would recommend you to write a personalized note, and that is also a bonus tip. जब भी आप किसी को gift दें, एक handwritten note जरूर लिखें and tell them that what you feel about them, if you like something about them, just write that down, and when they receive the gift, when they read the gift, they will love it, they will love to read. So with that all note, these were the interesting gifts, 15 gifts, ideas also, and depending on your budget you can give. So gift them and tell them that you really care for them, you love them. Like on Sunday it was a Father's Day, so like हम विश करने के साथ साथ उन्हें कुछ गिफ्ट भी कर सकते थे, बट उनको गिफ्ट करने के लिए ज़रूरी नहीं है फादर्स डे का ही वेट करें. वी कैन बाय एंड गिफ्ट देम व्हेनेवर वी वांट, राइट, एंड शो देम हाउ मच वी लव एंड रिस्पेक्ट देम. एंड विद दैट आपको इस वीडियो को देखिए कुछ भी अच्छा लगा है एंड आपने पाया है, सो प्लीज़ लाइक दिस वीडियो एंड सब्सक्राइब टू दिस चैनल अगेन अगर आप न्यू हैं, एंड आई विल सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. बाय.